Are you tired of paying too much for bills and fees? Well, you don't have to accept the first price you're given. You can actually negotiate your bills and fees to get a better deal. One of the easiest ways to negotiate bills is by calling the company directly. Explain your situation and ask if there are any promotions or discounts available that can lower your bill. Researching prices online can also help you negotiate fees. If you find a cheaper rate or a better deal with a competitor, use this information to negotiate a lower price with your current provider. Working with a bill negotiation service can also help you negotiate bills and fees. They have experience in negotiating with companies and can help you get the best possible deal. It's important to review your bills regularly and look for any hidden fees or charges. If you find any, call the company and ask them to remove them. By negotiating your bills and fees, you can save money and keep more of your hard-earned cash. Thanks for watching and happy negotiating!